Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Acne and the important syndromes. So here first we look at the Sappho syndrome. So under the Sappho syndrome, what is meant by this? So let's expand the Sappho syndrome. Sappho syndrome, it can involve the synovitis. So it can be synovitis, then it can be the presence of acne. Then P, what does P stand for? P stands for the pustulosis. So pustulosis is this, and then H. H is for the hyperostosis. Next is involvement of osteitis. O for the osteitis. Next we look at what is the hair AN syndrome. So all these are the important syndromes related to the acne. Next is the hair AN syndrome. The hair AN syndrome, it includes a hyperandrogenism. Next, what is involved? There is the IR. IR stands for the insulin resistance. Next is AN. AN stands for the acanthosis nigricans. Next is we look at the Saha syndrome. So Saha syndrome, it is S for the seborrhea. So S for the seborrhea. Then comes A for the acne. Then H for the hirsutism. Then comes A for the androgen alopecia. A for the androgenic alopecia. Next we look at what is the Papa syndrome. So here when you look at the Papa syndrome, P stands for the pyogenic arthritis. So P for the pyogenic arthritis. Next is another P. Another P is for the pyoderma. This is the pyoderma gangrenosum. So pyoderma gangrenosum. Then comes A. A here stands for the acne. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.